I'm getting ready to spray some toner lacquer. I'm going to use some extra dark walnut. I think that's going to be a better match to what the original finish was on the areas that are not taped out. The humidity's well below 68%, and I'm going to go ahead and put a few coats on here before the wind gets up. I'll bring you back and we'll take a look at it here in just a few minutes. Well, some bad luck here. The pigment-based toner is old, and I replaced the nozzle that you can see. It just wouldn't spray well. Let me show you what I did. I pulled out some perfect brown. Again, you can see it's pigment-based, Elm 101. Then I pulled out the extra dark walnut, dye-based, and I went back over it here a few coats. So I think that'll be good enough here. And I'm not trying to make the cabinet look new. Just touch it up a little bit from where it was. Alright, I'm going to try a little perfect brown here, dye again, so we can let some of this grain pop. Again, I've got a lot of imperfections here in the grain, so this will definitely have some character. Hopefully, again, this being dye based, will let some of this grain pop through, and we'll see some of these personality flaws as well. You can see what I'm going to try to do. I've got these lighter areas here. I'm going to try to blend those into the darker areas where I've done the repairs. Okay, there's a look at it. I tried to do just a little bit of a sunburst here along the sides and the front where the existing toner finish or whatever finish on the radio was a little darker. You can see the veneer repair that I made there on the left. I tried to blend the finish in. Again, maybe you can see just a little bit of the sunburst effect. And then the louvers. So I think that turned out pretty well, just to be a kind of a touch-up, not a complete strip and finish.